Good afternoon, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss with you Unit 3 Public, Private and Global Enterprises. So, first of all, I will discuss with you public and private enterprises. Yes, students, private enterprises are such enterprises which are owned, controlled, and managed by individual or a group of individuals. Such enterprises are called as private enterprises, or you can say private sector undertakings. Their main objective is to earn maximum profits, and there are different forms of private enterprises like sole proprietorship business, partnership business, cooperative society, joint Hindu family business, joint stock company. All these are different forms of private enterprises. And students, there are different examples of private sector enterprises or private enterprises like Tata Iron and Steel Company, Reliance Capital, Mahindra and Mahindra, Videocon, Britannia. All these are the examples of private sector enterprises. Yes, students, what do you mean by public enterprises? Public enterprises are such enterprises which are owned, controlled and managed by government, and their main motive is the public welfare. There are different forms of public enterprises like departmental undertaking, statutory corporation and government company. There are different examples of public enterprises like Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, Food Corporation of India, Life Insurance Corporation of India, as well as Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, HMT, Hindustan Machine Tool Limited. All these are the examples of public enterprises or public sector enterprises. So students, I hope meaning of private and public sector enterprises is clear to all. Now, I will discuss with you all what is the difference between public and private enterprises. Yes student, the first basis of difference is ownership. In case of private sector enterprises, ownership is entirely with private individuals. These enterprises are managed by, owned by private individuals, one individual or a group of individuals. Public sector enterprises are owned by central or state government. Objectives. Main motive of private sector enterprises is to earn maximum profit, and main motive of public sector enterprises is to promote public welfare. Next is forms of organization. Private sector enterprises includes sole proprietorship, partnership firms, joint Hindu family business, cooperative society and joint stock company. Public sector enterprises includes departmental undertaking, statutory corporation and government company. Next basis of difference is management. Private sector enterprises are managed by professional manager and they are efficient like MBA, and public sector enterprises are managed by bureaucrats. Bureaucrats means government officials and they are inefficient. Next is social objective. Social objectives are not important for private sector enterprises, and social objectives are very important for public sector enterprises like generation of employment opportunities and improving backward regions. Next basis of difference is capital contribution. In case of private sector enterprises, capital is contributed by owner or by private investor. In case of public sector enterprises, capital is entirely or mostly contributed by the government from public funds. Next is accountability. Accountability means answerability. Public sector enterprises are accountable to the owners or private investors. Public sector enterprises are accountable to the public through parliament. Last difference is on the basis of political interference. In case of private sector enterprises, political interference is very less. But in case of public sector enterprises, political interference is more. So students, we have done differences between private sector enterprises and public sector enterprises on the basis of ownership, objectives, forms of organization, management, social objective, capital contribution, accountability, and last is political interference. So students, today I discussed with you all difference between private sector enterprises and public sector enterprises. But students, don't get confused with private company and public company. Private sector enterprises are such enterprises which are owned, controlled and managed by private individuals. And public sector enterprises are such which are owned, controlled and managed by government. Now see what are public company and private company. Private company is that company which is not allowed to issue shares to general public, and public company is that company which is allowed to issue shares to general public. Okay students, so don't get confused with private or public sector enterprises and public and private company. Okay students, thank you.